vital to understand how valuable the Ad Inserter plugin is to when developing a website of your own, an ecosystem of your own, to turn it into a money-making machine. And what just dawned on me today, and I've been trying to figure it out, why would I need more than 16 blocks? And I figured it out. I am working on my storebuy.shop website. I'm going to delete most of the pages. I'm going to start over, and I made the decision that I want to speak about food and household products. I'm going to show you an example what can happen. I'm using Amazon for this example. I belong to many publisher programs, but I'm just using Amazon for this example. This is an old web page. Look at this. Grocery and gourmet food. That was supposed to be, that was a native grid ad. This is a grid ad. This is a grid ad. But why did these turn to this plain Jane search bar and didn't stay this way? Well, two reasons. The content, not enough content in my opinion. And they want website developers to use the plugin. And these grid ads from Amazon, it's in one of these blocks. I just don't want to show the code because it'll show private information. I add a code to this block. We'll say this is for that topic. Here we go. Here's a topic. Let me get rid of this. Here's a grid ad. Nice. That's sweet. Looks beautiful, don't it? Here's a list ad. Here's a Stripe ad. Amazon. You go into your Amazon account, grid list strip. You create it. And then I'm also going to use link to favorite destinations, link to search results, link to any page. This is vital. Why is that vital? Household products. Paper products. This is what this topic's about. Household paper products. I plan on creating many pages about paper napkins, paper towels, paper cups, paper plates, whatever else comes to mind. We'll say this time next year, I have 100 web pages speaking about household paper products. Well, I'm going to go to the Ad Inserter Pro. I'm going to include the code. It will add this code, whatever code I add, whether it be a grid, a list, or a Stripe, to all the pages speaking about this specific topic under this category. You see what I mean? By changing one code and one block in the plugin, the Ad Inserter plugin. I decided I want to write about food and household products. I'm going to write about dish soap. I'm going to make many different pages about different companies' dish soaps. I'm going to write about the company, I'm going to write about the soap, and I'm going to create a Ad Inserter block titled Detergents. One code. I create 25 pages. That code gets added to all pages. Now, I want you to understand, in this example, this old web page, these were native ad grid ads, grid native ads by Amazon. You see what happened? They don't want them individually added. I added these individually. I don't want to show the code. You go here and you go HTML, it'll show the code. I don't want the code to show. That's where the code goes. Well, they don't want that. I manually, individually added that to this web page that I will be deleting. No. That's why these disappeared, but this grid ad did not, because that's in one of these blocks. I understood it, but I didn't really fully understand it. Now, I fully understand it. I get it. I'm going to delete most of my pages. All that work I did got me where I am today. All that skill I developed gave me the knowledge and the understanding of how to do the work to produce my own money-making machine. And I like writing about food, and I like writing about household products. And that's how I'm going to build it. I know they're not the highest paying products. If I make a sale, it's not the highest commission. But it's about the ads, it's about the topic. I'm joining other publisher programs. I have future plans about in-text advertising. And, it's where will I be next year? We're not talking about 20 years from now. We're talking about where will I be 6 months from now? Where will I be a year from now? Well, I'm going to have a money-making machine earning me income online. I have it all set up. You follow me. You follow, especially the website interweb income playlist. I share with you how I'm figuring it out. My foundations are solid, but now I need to tweak it. Now I need to step back, understand that all that work I did gave me the skills that I have today, and I know what direction I'm heading. And any work I produce now, I won't have to do it again. I have to change an ad? Well, I go to the block and the ad inserter pro. Let me change that ad. That ad needs to be updated. Occasionally you have to update ads, codes. You just do. Well, there's 50 pages speaking about household paper products. Let me change that one. Let me click Save, Settings, Update. It updates the ad on all the web pages. Do you get it? That's why these stayed, because they are in a block, and these did not, because I manually, individually entered them here in the HTML. That's not the way to do it. It's a good stepping stone to understand, but that's not the way it's done. I hope you enjoy the video. Please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Follow me. Do what I'm doing. Talk about the topics you love talking about, you love researching about, you have a passion about, and build your WordPress website ecosystem, money-making machine around the topics and hobbies that you love. And it will turn into a money-making machine. I'll see you later. Have a good one, everybody. Bye for now.